This is a Dorma DC3003. It has 7 pins, serrated and tapered. I've been working with this thing for 2 days, and I had to progressively pin it. But to try to get in, I'm going to use a Cobra Instruments pry bar in 50 thousandths, top of the keyway, and then Peterson standard hook in 18. So nothing on 1, a couple of clicks out of 2, nothing on 3, maybe a couple clicks out of 4, a couple clicks out of 1, five, 1, 2, 3, click out of 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I just messed everything up. So nothing on 1. Couple clicks out of 2. Maybe something on 3. Maybe something on 5. Or clicks out of 4 and 5, click out of 6, click out of 7, 1, 2, click out of 3, maybe a little something on 3, maybe click out of 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 7. Okay, so 7 opened it up. Yeah, it's just with the tapered pins, kind of going through the lock and making sure that they're all the way set. But this thing kind of talks to you once you start getting close to the end. I did have to progressively pin this, and even with progressively pinning it, when I, all the way up to 6 pins, it was fine. And then once I put that last pin in, I had to basically figure it all out from scratch again. But this is a nice lock. It's a really good lock. The tolerances are great. The pins, they're very long serrated pins, and the tapered pins. But this is a fun lock.